Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Volvo XC90 hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin. This lever is usually found on the driver's side, often near the footwell. Give it a firm pull. You should hear a click as the primary latch releases. This initial step prepares the hood for its full opening. Now, walk to the front of your Volvo XC90. Look directly under the front edge of the hood, usually above the grille area. You're searching for a small, often plastic, secondary safety latch. This mechanism prevents the hood from flying open accidentally, so it's an important safety feature. Once you've located the secondary latch, gently push it to the side or lift it, depending on your specific model. You will feel the hood release completely from its resting position. With the latch disengaged, you can now lift the hood slightly, preparing to secure it open for access to the engine bay. Finally, locate the hood support rod, which is typically found clipped to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay on the left side. Carefully lift the hood to its full open position and insert the end of the support rod into the designated slot. Make sure the hood is securely propped open before you begin any work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.